Published July 2, 2022. 1. Who has sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Maharashtra after the resignation of Uddhav Thackeray? A. Devendra Fadnavis. B. Eknath Shinde. C. Sunil Prabhu. D. Sharad Pawar. Correct answer B. Eknath Shinde. Notes: Shiv Sena rebel leader Eknath Shinde sworn in as Maharashtra CM while BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister. Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari administered the oath of office and secrecy to the leaders. This was preceded by the resignation of the former CM Uddhav Thackeray amidst an internal party rebellion. 2. PSLV Orbital Experimental Module (POEM) is associated with which organization? A. DRDO. B. ISRO. C. HAL. D. BHEL. Correct answer B. ISRO. Notes: The PSLV Orbital Experimental Module is a platform which is used to perform in-orbit experiments using the final stage of ISRO's Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle (PSLV). In the PSLV rocket, first 3 stages fall back into the ocean and the final stage, PS4, ends up as space junk after launching the satellite into orbit. POEM has a Navigation Guidance and Control (NGC) system for attitude stabilization. 3. Which is the only institution in India to issue electoral bonds? A. RBI. B. SBI. C. Niti Aayog. D. CBDT. Correct answer B. SBI. Notes: The government has approved the issuance of 21st phase of sale of electoral bonds through authorized SBI branches from July 1. State Bank of India (SBI) is the only authorized institution to issue and encash electoral bonds through its 29 authorized branches. The electoral bonds are interest-free bearer instruments which can be encashed by the party through a bank account within 15 days. 4. The Union Cabinet approved the categorization of which institution as an international organization in July 2022? A. International Solar Alliance. B. BIMSTEC. C. Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. D. One Sun One World One Grid. Correct answer C. Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. The Union Cabinet approved the categorization of Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure (CDRI) as an international organization. The Cabinet also approved signing of the Headquarters Agreement (HQA) with CDRI for grant of exemptions and privileges under Section 3 of the United Nations Privileges and Immunities Act, 1947. 5. Which Indian organization carried out the maiden flight test of Autonomous Flying Wing Technology Demonstrator? A. DRDO. B. NSIL. C. Daruva Airspace. D. Pixar Space. Correct answer A. DRDO. Notes: Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) carried out the maiden flight test of the Autonomous Flying Wing Technology Demonstrator in Karnataka. The test, carried out from the Aeronautical Test Range in Chitradurga, Karnataka, is being seen as an important milestone towards developing unmanned aircraft technology in India.